Hello, welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm going to make an easy, healthy breakfast, overnight oats. All you have to do, stir a few ingredients together in a jar, place it in the fridge and enjoy it the next morning. We need the following ingredients to begin. Old-fashioned rolled oats, half cup. Milk of your choice, half cup. Yogurt, 4 tablespoons. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. Honey, 1 tablespoon. In terms of the best container for overnight oats, I personally prefer to use a 16-ounce mason jar with a screw lid. To make an individual batch of overnight oats, just add half a cup of rolled oats to a jar, along with half a cup of milk. You can use your choice of milk. Today, I'm using almond milk. 4 tablespoons of yogurt, which adds extra creaminess. One tablespoon of chia seeds, which gives this a pudding-like texture, and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Then give that a stir and mix it all together. Then just place this in your fridge for at least 2 hours, or overnight is best. Overnight oats will expand just a little bit once they have chilled. But as you can see, there is still plenty of room for toppings if you would like to add them later. With a basic batch of overnight oats, you can switch up the toppings every morning. So, let me give you a few quick examples. Just top with the fresh strawberries and kiwi fruit, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Or top with the fresh blackberries and diced mango chunks with a sprinkle of crushed pistachios. Or pineapple chunks and sweetened coconut flakes and vanilla extract. Or chunk of apples, and for a little crunch, add some chopped pecans and cinnamon powder. Or raspberry, sliced almond and vanilla extract. Or top with a sliced banana, a fresh blueberry and a sprinkle of crushed pecans. As you can see, it is super easy to top your basic overnight oats with any fresh fruit that you have on hand. If you enjoyed this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.